Closed businesses, masks, stay-at-home orders, history repeating itself. The same extreme safety measures were taken in 1918 during the Spanish flu. There was also a similar push to reopen economies.
For cities and states that opened too early, there was sort of a direct correlation between an increase in mortality rates and a decrease in the speed at which those economies rebounded.
Brittany Hutchinson with the Chicago History Museum says during the Spanish flu, Philadelphia tried to return to normal by holding a parade.
And unfortunately, that did increase the number of people who were infected and ultimately died from influenza. And it was one of the hardest hit cities.
And Philadelphia was one of the last to rebound economically. Historians say a lesson learned for municipalities outside of Cook County who are urging Governor Pritzker to open sooner. In 1918, cities who chose to keep their labor force healthy recovered more quickly.
To ensure that they're healthy guarantees in some way that you have an economy to rely on.
How did Chicago handle it in 1918? Historians say the city was similar to many others by taking a moderate to aggressive approach.
What I can say about Chicago is that I believe there were orders to arrest people who were sneezing without covering their sneeze, or if you went out in public.
So historians are urging lawmakers who are anxious to reopen their economies to follow the model of 1918. Continuing aggressive safety precautions will pay off in the long run.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.